Hello everyone, my name is Ankush. I am a data science and business analytics intern at the Sparks Foundation. My task is clustering using unsupervised machine learning. Our job is from the given iris dataset, predict the optimal number of clusters and represent it visually. So at first we are importing all the packages, that is NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib and sklearn. Then we are reading data from the iris dataset, which is in CSV format, and after that we are displaying the top 10 rows of iris dataset. Next we have to find the optimum number of clusters. So for that we have to use the elbow method. Then applying the k-means model on the iris dataset. Applying this technique we can clearly visualize the clusters. Thank you.